QC those days. So when you go to university or colleges, probably, right, that gave me some sort of, right, bridging, and I was, right, topper in the school. At the same time in the college also I could top it. And today I came here not because of just I know these people, but it is because what profile I could give it to your own, right, principal for that matter. But girls, please remember, only a profile is going to speak, and actions speak loudly than words. That's very, very important. Right? Salem is a small town. Unlike, right, these days, it has grown to a larger level. But earlier, when I did my schooling, I passed out in the year 1975 my SSLC. And you know, Salem was a small town, not even rose to the corporate level. But today, right, I'm not boasting myself. I humbly submit to the crowd because many girls are here. Many times, if you, right, go to, right, the world, people might be, right, discouraging you, telling you are a girl, why you should do higher studies or anything of the sort. But don't be taken away by this, right? As a girl, right, where engineering, electronics and communication was not offered by some, right, very great institution which is existing, right? I think you are going to celebrate your Golden Jubilee very shortly, 2017 I believe, right? We also celebrate the Golden Jubilee the same here in the engineering college. And remember, in the year 75 to 81, we did not have electronics and communication department. Today, at the head of the department, I am happy to submit to all girls that we have additionally 2 departments, electronics and communication, which was not available, and then we also have computer science and engineering. I witnessed both these departments to be instituted my institution in the year 85-86 ECE, and in the year 2000-2001 we introduced the Department of Communication, that is Computer Engineering and Science. A girl passed out in the same town could witness these 2 items, and very, right, significant person in Salem only because somebody empowered me, somebody gave me some courage, and it is in the form of teaching community. The teachers, they helped me to a larger extent, and today I could talk to you and then see so many girls, and happy to share the dais with the, right, Commissioner of Police, Mr. A.M.L. Raj, IPS, and thanks to all the management, the principal, correspondent, and the team of teachers as well as the students for giving me this opportunity to share some of my views. Your principal gave me only 5 minutes, but again I thought it's a very good, right, opportunity for me to share some of my experiences, because definitely when you move from this, right, school, when you go to the world, real world, where the toy problems are not going to be, right, given to you, it is going to be the real world problems where you might be coming across lot many obstacles, like what, right, the race you won today, the obstacle race, there also you have to overcome with sort of some courage, determination, and then lot many inputs putting in that. When you do your task as a woman or a girl for that matter, you will have 2 opponents. One is going to be your own, right, friend, counter, and another one is going to be a person with same potential like you or better potential, right, like you, and so on and so forth. So you should be able to defeat these 2 persons, and you should showcase your talents, you should be able to exhibit your talents, and that's the reason, right, probably you will be able to win the game. This field will definitely will give you that sort of spirit, because many students, only few got, like Akshaya, I remember, Vidya, these are few persons, probably got the right awards and applause, but everybody participated, and every participant definitely is going to win in one day or other. That is life, and in life struggle, life is a challenge, and life is a game, and life is everything for that matter. You will come across many of the obstacles here. Bed is not going to be full of roses. Sometimes the thorns also might be there. But remember, every point or other, one or other is going to help you. And in inner strength probably will guide you appropriately. And Almighty is always with us, and the Almighty will be taking and helping you, guiding you, supervising you, and you will be winning lot many applause. I wish everyone should, right, face these, right, items, and then whatever, right, stepping stones you please, right, climb, and then finally zenith is going to be yours, or victory is going to be yours. To start with, I tell you, normally in a week you have 7 right days. Similarly, 7 steps in everybody's right phase you have to cross. One is going to be survival. When I stand in front of you and then talk something, obviously, right, I will be breathing in addition. Somebody, right, very well demonstrated the yoga program. What are the breathing exercises probably you should be every day doing, and then you will be in a position to, right, have a very, very pain-free life or disease-free life. This also being taught in the class. Though it is not taught in the classrooms, in the field you are learning number of things, and you will be allowed to, right, follow certain, right, minimum exercises to be done so that obesity is not going to be there. Because today we see there are so many, the statistics, the health statistics says there are many people with obesity, and particularly in the age of 16 to 21, many women, right, transform into a, right, fat lady and suffering with diabetes or some problem or other. Like that we, right, develop many of these problems. But only thing is, whatever you learned in the school, whatever you learned from the sports field, you should, right, practice, and then you should be free from all these items. What you learn, number of things that will be taught, and only thing is you properly take it up and then exercise, practice it, and you will be a very, very successful woman for that matter. And today I saw many of the success stories, minimum 20 personalities, the success stories of the 20 personalities shared by, demonstrated by a team. And it was very nice, right? From different fields you demonstrated. And with this, I now believe, strongly believe, in 2020, probably a girl of 20 years of old and a boy of 20 years old, together they work, and then after 2020, probably India is going to be the mighty country, and then with values and virtues, probably we will be rolling the whole globe for that matter. That's what my vision. I wish everyone to take part, right, with some sort of commitment. That's very important. In corporate, people say, if there are going to be 100 people working or employees there, right, only 20% of the people will be in a position to share the entire task. Other 80% of the people will never contribute. But in future, I don't think, because with this exercise, with this practice, what the holy angels given to you, all the 100% probably will be educating others, giving awareness, and all the 100 probably will be participating, and that is what we expect. We want all to be participating, and then obviously we will transform into a developed country, no more a developing country. In 2020 onwards, from 2020 onwards, as former President Abdul Kalam said, everyone will be, right, working for the growth of the nation. That is inclusive growth. I grow, my institution will grow, and then at the same time my corporation to which I belong, and the town which I belong, the district which I belong, the nation which I belong, and the globe which I belong definitely is going to, right, move towards perfection. Excellence will not be happening. Excellence is a result of high intention, sincere attempt, intelligent direction, and skillful execution, and which determines your destiny. It is not a chance, it is a choice. That's what Aristotle, right, said to his, right, student Alexander, and I hope the holy angel teachers always tell these future Alexanders, and you will all become, right, very successful in life, and that is what I expect. So with survival and adding stability to your system, and, right, adding strength to your system, you will transform into a successful piece. Don't stop your game with that. More than that, you have to put few more S's, that is sustained productivity advantage, and superiority steps also you have to add, and finally you will become a very, very significant figure, and that's what Salem needs. The Salem needs not only holy angels, fairies, and then angels for that matter. They need responsible women, and I want you will be transforming into very great citizens, and that I wish on behalf of my institution and on behalf of the management of Holy Angels Matriculation, right, Higher Secondary School. So the juniors, super juniors, all, right, the captain, sports captain, sports vice captain, and then the school, right, people, right, leader for that matter, because your commissioner said the uniform, with uniform it is not colorful. I feel it's very, very colorful and very, very dignified for that matter. It adds decorum to you. And right, all group leaders and particularly right the bluebells, because they won it. Winning is very important. At the same time, right, the winners should not be right. The proud moment you have to celebrate, but at the same time don't insult others. That's very, very important. We learn from the sports ground. And I congratulate all the participants also, and I thank for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam, for your words of appreciation. And we promise that our girls will build up courage and determination.
I request Dr. R.S.D. Vaida Banu, ME PhD, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Salem, to give away the prizes. LKG, Crowning Glory. First prize goes to Daffodils. Come on, girls, cheer the little ones. Second prize, Bluebells. UKG Sundip. First prize, Tulips. Second prize, Bluebells. First standard, Lineage Link. First prize, Gladiolus. Second prize, Tulips. Second standard, Bio Mantra. First prize, Daffodils, and second prize, Gladiolus. Third standard, Butterfly Pop. First prize, Tulips. Second prize, Gladiolus. Fourth standard, Blooming Beauty. First prize, Daffodils, and second prize, Gladiolus. Fifth standard, Twirly Whirly. First prize, Bluebells, and second prize, Daffodils. Concluded events, Shot Put Sub-Juniors. Soumya S. of 6th A, Gladiolus, gets the first place. Shot Put Sub-Juniors, Subhanashri, Daffodils, second place. Shot Put Juniors, Varsharini, Gladiolus, first place. And Shot Put Juniors, Tharani of Daffodils, second place. Shot Put Seniors, Soundarya S, the winner, and Monica Priyadarshini, the runner. Shot Put Super Seniors, Shirley Angel of Daffodils gets the first prize, and Renita Shri of Bluebells the second. Discus Juniors, Varsha Rini of Gladiolus first. Kamali of Bluebells second. Discus Seniors, Soundarya S, Tulips, first place. Adisaya, Gladiolus, second place. Discus Super Seniors, Shirley Angel of Daffodils, first. Akhil Tendril of Gladiolus, second. Long jump, Sub-Juniors, Angelin M of Bluebells gets first place, and Sajini R of Tulips, second. Long jump, Junior, Shivani N of Daffodils, first place. Lyle S, second. Long jump seniors, Diana I, Tulips, first. Kavya S, second of Gladiolus. Long jump super seniors, Akshaya E of Bluebells, first place. Tahira Tabassum of Tulips, second. High jump sub juniors, Angeline M of Bluebells, first. Sub juniors, Ashwantika T, second place.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air.
And also Kamara Ragi, second place. High jump juniors, Kavya Shri of Gladiolus gets the first place. High jump juniors, Shivani N gets the second place. High jump seniors, Kavya of Gladiolus gets first and Diana of Tulips gets second. Diana and Gayatri B share the second place. High jump super seniors, Pooja PS of Daffodils first, Saranya SB of Bluebells second. Thank you, madam. I request Mr. Ramalingam, DEO Salem, to please give away the prizes.